Mechanisms Toy Box. Today we are introducing gears. First, let's talk about what a mechanism is. It is a device that transmits motion so that the motion is different than the input motion. It can be used to change direction, speed, force, or type of movement. When you are riding a multi-speed bicycle up a steep hill, for example, what do you do when the bike slows down? Most likely you shift to a new gear to get more power with the same amount of effort. Can you think of other examples where force or torque is changed to make a task easier? This need to change speed and torque is a problem common to machine tools, robots, and automobiles and airplanes. This is often done using gears. A gear is a toothed wheel that works with others to alter the relation between the speed of an engine and the speed of a driven part. We will need an understanding of how gears work and the different types of gears that are available to us in order to study automation and robotics. In the following slides, you will see different types of gear solutions. The hand mixer. This has a gear type that is known as a crown and pinion. The electric motor. This has several gears that work together. This is called a gear train. The antique jack has a bevel and a worm gear. The ice cream scoop uses a rack and pinion gear. Paper transport rollers in a printer use a simple gear train with an idler. An idler is a gear that is between two driven parts. A stapler, if you look at it, you can see that it is multiple mechanisms and lots of gears working together. A toy telephone has a rack and pinion gear. Rear view motor mirrors on your vehicle use a rack and pinion to move the rear view mirror. A fishing reel uses a crown and pinion. An electric mixer uses a worm and wheel. A food processor uses something called planetary gears. This is gears inside of other gears. There are many gear solutions, and today is an introduction. After reviewing the PowerPoint, do a web search on the worksheet and find an example and an image of each type of gear.